was going to tell you guys a story, but I don't think we have time. So. Okay, we're in Long Beach last night, and after the show I was cleaning up my shit, and this kid comes up to me and he's all, "Hey man, is that a Paul Reed Smith?" And I'm like, "Yeah, you know, it's like I've had this a long time." He's like, "I got one too. Hey, do you guys ever need any younger guitar players?" No, you need a younger. True story. True story. There's a better true story. I said we were at chemo, so we played with a really good longtime goth punk band from Bakersfield called Burning Image. And in their hometown, somebody was screaming at him the whole time, "Fuck you, you're not playing anything we know! Fuck you!" They did that the whole time to Burning Image. The guy thought he was me. Yeah. Well, last thing we need is any more mistaken IDs when somebody is carrying a gun. I guess we'll dedicate this to Trayvon Martin and all the other Trayvon Martins tonight, as well as Oscar Grant, who was shot dead on the ground by a BART police officer on a train in Oakland. Got away with it. Got away. I think he's living here now, too, the guy who did it. Anyway, you know this one. Here we go.
No!